knows all. Okay, we can say that. And we can also say that in order for this mother, father, child God within us to rise up as steam from the natural law that invokes steam, we have to die. We have to be born again. Okay? Progressing at an easy pace, going in accord with the time, neither clinging nor departing, one gradually enters true eternity. Therefore, it is called rising. Now, steam can do nothing but rise. Why? Because that's its eternal nature. You, me, everyone that breathes or ever has breathed has an eternal nature. And we do that which is natural and convenient for us to do. But we cannot confuse the things we do and say and are with things that we want, those fleeting things. Happiness is a fleeting thing. You can be still and you can know that you possess a state that bypasses every degree of happiness and contentment there is. You can know that. You do know that. But you sell out, you buy out, you haggle. You haggle with the market man and you miss the item of your own soul. Jesus wept. We know that we are absolutely complete. We know that there's nothing else to do but be up and about our father, mother, / child's, God's sacred business. And we can pass and repass. And we can circle in our orbits while we're here. But we cannot apologize, nor can we elevate or desecrate our existence by trying to explain to another what we have done or why we are doing what we do. Do you think Jesus knew what he was doing? Do you think for one moment that he knew the magnitude of his impact? Do you think that he was trying to walk on this earth to gather followers? He told the people most of the times to keep silent. Don't say a thing about what he has done or what they had seen. How often do you go through the day and not want to be recognized, not want to be congratulated, not want to be praised, not want to be supported? How much of this knowing do you operate on? How much? Well, to answer that, you operate on as much as you need to for the time. But you can gauge your sense of boredom and restlessness and discontent by this lack of knowing. You are what you are. You know, that's what was said by the burning bush. I am that I am. Now that's enough said. I am that I am. You don't add anything from it and you don't take anything away from it. I think that's at the end of the Bible too. Don't add any words to this and don't take any away. And don't be spending your moments in constant misery, comparing and competing and trying to get something you don't think that you have but you deserve. It's been a blast. I'll catch you next time as we soar through this swirling galaxies, these galaxies together.
didn't have you in my world, I don't think I could make it one day more. On the day we met, I felt such a thrill. My mind exploded, my heart stood still.